How to Post on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your videos or templates to CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. So first, you need to know that only CapCut template creators can upload templates. So here to become one, you'll have to edit and post regularly using CapCut. And once you're active enough, CapCut system or the customer support or agency may automatically recognize you as a template creator. And now here, once you have met the criteria, here is how you can tell that you are eligible. So here, once you're done exporting the video, here on this page, you'll see a new button appearing just below the share to TikTok button, and here it will say share as template. So here, if you see that button, it means that you are now recognized as template creator. So here, all you have to do is just tap on share as template button, and after that, the video will be uploaded as a CapCut template. And remember, the key is to stay active. So here, keep editing regularly so CapCut keeps you in the creator program, and share as template option continues to show. And that's it for today's video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.